Good day everyone, lalong-lalo na sa aking mga kapwa customs brokers at sa ating mga future customs brokers. This is another day to learn something. I will answer the question from one of our new customs brokers. And her question is, Attorney, what is your advice to me and to others who wish to apply with the Bureau of Customs? Thank you for your question. First things first, you have to submit your application through the application portal at the Bureau of Customs website. So you visit the website of the Bureau of Customs and then you click the recruitment portal. Everything is done through the application portal. And make sure that you meet the minimum requirements for the position that you wish to apply. For example, the position of Customs Operations Officer 3 or the Customs Examiner position requires the following requirements. Number 1, education, bachelor's degree. As a graduate of BS Customs Administration, then you are qualified for this requirement. Second, experience. 1 year of relevant experience. So if you're applying or you're aiming to apply for the Customs Operations Officer 3 position, you have to make sure that your work experience is relevant to the duties and responsibilities of a customs examiner and that you have at least 1 year of work experience prior to applying in the Bureau of Customs. Third, training. 4 hours of relevant training. This is where your continuing professional development programs become necessary. I urge you to attend these CPD webinars so that you can earn the required number of hours for training requirement. Fourth and the last, eligibility. And it requires professional level or second level of civil service eligibility. Becoming a customs broker is already an eligibility on your part because by virtue of Republic Act number 1080, you are considered to possess the necessary second level professional eligibility. In addition, if you graduate with honors, either summa cum laude, magna cum laude, or cum laude, by virtue of Presidential Decree number 907, you are also granted civil service eligibility. And when it comes to eligibility, there is one person that I can think of, and that is Professor Joshua Tan, who is currently working as a customs examiner at the Port of Cebu. You know, Sir Joshua has 3 eligibility. Why? Because he topped the licensure examination for customs brokers, he graduated with cum laude honors, and he is a civil service exam passer. O diba? 3-in-1, parang coffee lang. So there it goes, fellow customs brokers. I hope that I have shared the advice that you need. And remember, if you want to learn something, just ask Attorney Erwin.